What's up YouTube? Let's ride driving here, and today I'm back for a new outlet vlog. And this time it's at the Nike factory outlet at Nlex. But before we start this video, I would like to say happy birthday to Prince Dosin. Happy birthday, Prince! And I would like to say hi to Tita Rovelyn. Hello po, Tita Rovelyn. So let's go! First up is this ever-known low with a jelly swoosh in color black and white, both selling for 2,895 pesos. Up next is this usual Air Max 720 in this Volt colorway, selling for 7,195 pesos. Still pretty expensive. For those who love Air Force Ones, they have one Lakers selling for 3,995 pesos. And one with a green canvas upper, I like that, and gum outsole. And lastly, this Air Force One high, which looks really cool. Here are some of the Air Max and Vapor Max available. This is the cheapest one you can buy here. The Nike Court Borrow Low selling for only 2,095 pesos. Wow, this one's really cool. They got this Kobe 1 Proto with a nubuck and leather upper, selling for 7,195 pesos. For Nike React fans out there, here are a few colorways available. Here are the rest of the stickers available. Check this out. This is the best looking sneaker here. the Lebron 16 more chain selling for 8,495 pesos. We also check out at the Mega Station, the Fashion Rack Designers outlet, where lot of branded sneakers are on sale. If you're looking for great steals, you should also visit the premium outlet. They have Adidas, Nikes, New Balance, and other brands. I like that store, and you can purchase sneakers for as low as 2,500. That's it for today's video, and thank you for watching. Please leave us a like and subscribe for more videos, and click the subscribe button. Bye bye, peace and God bless.